Did you get any cleansing?
First couple of weeks of doing the practices and stuff, I felt a lot of emotion coming up in me to the point of actually tearing up, and it's not something I do often, but it was just like, wow, just thinking about different things, really brought up some emotion. Yeah. Yeah, I would say that was cleansing. There was these things that were probably stored in my cellular memory and restoring my CO2 balance, which in turn restored my overall physiology to how it was supposed to function, probably unlocked that, and released all those tension points and all those emotional things I was hanging on to. They were no longer there. They came out in a cleansing. I think I did go through sort of a challenge where I think my respiratory system was trying to fight back a little bit and say, no, we're not used to this. And so there was periods where I was kind of like, oh man, is this really working? Because I don't feel like, I'm having a hard time breathing. I was actually feeling like, I gotta take this breath, but staying with the program, that's not an issue.
Well, it is normal for the respiratory center to fight back. There's this mechanism called rebound, especially for people who do a lot of physical exercise. Because when you do physical exercise, you build up CO2. And then at night time, you lose it because you haven't recalibrated the brain. So the pattern has been that you get it and then you lose it, and you get it and then you lose it. So as part of your cleansing, you would have noticed that your system's trying to lose it. And that losing it makes you feel breathless. And then if you apply the practice to that, gradually you train yourself out of losing it.
Yeah, that's what I was experiencing.